Good day to all. This is Amritalingam Madhu. Today's topic is west facing house Vastu. Before move on to the topic, let's see quote for the day. How you are treated is more important than how much you like someone. Let's move on to the topic. West facing house Vastu. Generally, east or north facing is the most preferred choice of the most people. For them, these two are the most auspicious directions. South and west facing houses or plot are generally rejected by most of the people, thinking that they are inauspicious. This is one of the biggest Vastu myths. I said misbelief because that is not exactly true. In fact, west facing home can be auspicious as a north or east oriented one. West direction has a 270 as per the directional compass. All directions are good: east, west, north, south. But when we construct the house, we should follow the Vastu principle. That is the most important thing. Don't worry about the facing. It's important is we have to construct the house as per the Vastu principle. West direction ruled by Lord Varuna, the controller of the universe, can be an extremely auspicious directions to bring in wealth and prosperity. Generally, which facing house is good for me as per Vastu? Many people asked me such questions. According to Varagi Vastu, there is no relationship with horoscope, date of birth, Jataka, Rasi, Nakshatra. But more importantly, house should be designed as per Vastu Shastra principle. This is the most important thing because there is no relationship with business or profession. Please understand, house is constructed for whole family, not individual person. This is the most important thing because many people asked me which facing is suitable for me, which facing plot can I buy. There is no relationship with name, horoscope and the facing direction. So following Varagi Vastu rules for west facing house. Point number 1, main door should be positive side, means main door should be towards north if a west facing house. Point number 2, west should be less space compared to east side. Point number 3, north should be more space compared to south. Point number 4, septic tank should be northwest direction. Point number 5, borewell should be in northeast. Borewell should not come in the diagonal line. This is the most important thing. Point number 6, slope of west facing plot should be towards northeast. Point number 7, toilet should be in northwest only. Point number 8, kitchen should be northwest or southeast. Point number 9, avoid entrance in southwest. Many people are making a mistake in west facing. They used to have a main door in southwest, which is most dangerous. Point number 10, master bedroom in southwest. So these are all the important points when you plan west facing house. And the main important thing is generally people are making a mistake in west facing. West side they leave more space compared to east. This is the common mistake in a west facing. So don't do such a mistake. West facing house is the best if you design as per Vastu principle. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you.